What is up everybody, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, it's about Tinder guide. So like today's entire video is on Tinder, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys all the basic stuff you need to know if you guys are new to Tinder. So this is Tinder app, download it from Play Store or App Store, and after downloading it, you need to sign up. So there's two ways to sign up in Tinder. Let me show you. So the first way is to log in with phone number. So instead of email, you're gonna enter your phone number, and the other way is to log in with your Google or with your Facebook. So you can choose whichever you want, but I personally think logging in with Google is easy. So I'm gonna show you guys the how to log in with Google, but basically it's same for all these two steps like Facebook and mobile. So go to Google, log in with Google, and then choose your Google account which you want to use. So I want to use this Google account. As you guys can see, now you have your email and your phone number linked. So if you want to recover your account, if you lose your email, you can recover your account using phone number. That's why I like to use email when logging in into Tinder, because now you have two backup. One is your email, the other is your phone number. So now enter your phone number. Let me enter mine and pressing continue. After entering your phone number, it's gonna send a verification code to your phone number, and it just sent me over here. Now click on continue after typing the verification code. Now you just have to agree to Tinder's rule. After reading it, if you want to read it, you can read it and click on I agree. Now enter your name. So this is going to be the name which is going to be displayed in your Tinder. So let me enter my name. My first name, Richie. I'm going to enter my date of birth. Now enter your date of birth. Now make sure to enter a date of birth which is above 18, because Tinder is for 18 plus people only. If you're below 18, then you cannot create an account. Just remember that. Pressing continue and choose which gender you are. I'm man, so I'm going to click on man and click on continue. Now choose your sexual orientation. I'm going straight, click on continue. Now it's asking you what type of person you want to see in your profile. Do you want to see woman, or do you want to see man, or do you want to see everyone? Choose your preference, whichever you want. I'm gonna go with woman. Now if you have a school name, you can enter your school name, but if you don't, then you can just click on the skip which is at the top. Click on it. Now over here you can choose your passion, like what is your passion. So it's gonna match you with the people who have the same passion. But if you don't want to, you can always click on the skip button at the top. So I'm gonna click on skip over here. Now over here it's gonna ask you to add at least 2 photos. So I'm gonna add 2 photos from my gallery. Now after adding 2 photos from my gallery, click on continue. Enable your location, so it's gonna search for people near your location to find your match. So yeah, allow location, and your Tinder account has been created. So that's how you sign up in Tinder. As you guys can see, we have created a Tinder account. Now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can set up a Tinder profile for you, so you can get better people, I guess. So you can click on this profile icon at the top. So it's gonna take you to your profile. Now what you can do is, now you can click on edit info over here. As you guys can see, you can click on edit info. Now what this is gonna do is, if you want to add some more profile picture, you can click on the plus icon and add as much photo as you want. And after that, you can scroll down and you can and over here, as you guys can see, you can write about yourself. You can write a little description about yourself, like you can obviously write about yourself like, hey, I'm 20 and I like to visit a different place and make new friends. You don't have to write the same thing. You can write whatever you want. It's basically like your description. So you can describe yourself over here. You can write up to 500 words, as I already told you. And over here you can write about your passion, like what you're passionate about. You can choose from all this stuff over here. There's a lot of it. You can choose which you want. So let's say I like coffee. I can click on coffee. I can click on vlogging, soccer. So after choosing all my preference, I can just click on this button and go back. And yeah, all my passions are added over here. And if you have a job, you can add the job title over here. Let's say office job. I can just go on it and type. And if you're working for a company, you can add the company name. If you are in school, you can add your school name. And if you want to show your Instagram photo on Tinder, you can click on connect Instagram and connect your Instagram with your Tinder. And you can change your if you are a woman, you can change from man to woman, and you can change your sexual orientation over here by clicking on it. If you don't want to show your age, you can turn it on and people won't be able to know your age. And if you want to make your distance invisible, you can turn it on as well. Now remember, for this you need to have a Tinder Pro account. It's basically like a premium version of Tinder, for which you have to pay money. So that's basically how you set up your profile on Tinder. So as I'm talking about Tinder's premium version, let me tell you about how you can get a Tinder's premium version. You can just go back or go to your profile, and after going to profile, as you guys can see down below over here, it says my Tinder Plus, and there's a lot of option. You can scroll to choose which option you want to buy. So there's actually 2 versions of Tinder Premium, otherwise also known as Tinder Plus. first is the Tinder Gold, and it's the second is My Tinder Plus. So to get it, you can just click on My Tinder Plus, and it's gonna show you all the option you have over here. If you get Tinder Plus, you can get all this, you can unlock all this over here. And if you click on Tinder Gold, you can choose if you want 6 months of Tinder Gold, or you want 1 month of it, or 12 months of it. And after choosing your preference, you can click on continue and pay for it, and you're gonna get Tinder Gold. And the other one is Tinder Plus. So what this is by getting Tinder Plus, you can get unlimited like or nope as much as you want. Like you can scroll past through as much girl as you want, or you can nope as much girls or people as you want. Okay, I'm just saying girl, but like it's similar for boys and girls and other gender. And you can skip the line and be on the top of the profile in the area. So like if somebody is searching for a person, then your name is going to be at the top if you have Tinder Premium. So that's one advantage over here. And you can control who you can see as well, and you can also control who sees you. You can control who you can see and like who can see you. So that's a benefit as well. And you can make part of your profile invisible, just like your age and your view distance, as I just told you before. And if you have accidentally liked or noped someone, then you can rewind also. That's also one good feature. Because so let's say I like this, but I accidentally noped her. Now I can't rewind over here. As you guys can see, I click on it, I need to buy the Tinder Premium version or Tinder Plus. So that's all the feature you get if you buy the Tinder's Plus version. So that's basically how you upgrade your Tinder account and all the benefits of it. Now let me teach you how you guys can hide your Tinder profile from other user. So to hide your Tinder profile from other user, you can click on your profile picture over here and then go on setting. And on setting, you can scroll down until you see show me on Tinder over here. So it's turned on, which means other people can see me on Tinder. So if I don't want other people to see me, I can just turn it off. Now nobody can see me on Tinder. So that's basically how you hide your Tinder profile from other user. But if you turn it on, then other people can see you. So now I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can send your first message on Tinder. So you guys are new on Tinder, you guys do not know how you guys can send a message in Tinder. So it's pretty simple. You can see this icon over here, this WhatsApp kind of icon. You can click on it. So right now it's showing me no matches because this is my new account and I have not matched with anybody. So what matching means is, so let's say I like this person, right? And the person likes me back again, then it's gonna show me the match over here, and I can just click on their name, and after clicking on their name, the chat box is gonna open and I can start chatting with them. So that's basically how you send your first message on Tinder. The person I like has to like me back, and if both of us like each other, then we can start chatting. So it's like match, so both of us has to match, so yeah, that's basically how you send your first message on Tinder. Now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Tinder account. So it's pretty simple. So let me log out from this account real quick. So let's say I forgot my Tinder account. I can just click on trouble logging in, and I can click on account recovery over here. Click on login with email. Now over here you can enter your email. So let me enter the email which I have used when I created my Tinder account. So I'm going to enter that email. After entering the email, click on send email. Now it's going to send the link to your email which you just entered. Now let me go to my email to check the link. So as you guys can see over here, I have received login to your Tinder account link over here. I can enter the link now. So there's two ways. You can either copy this link and enter it into your browser and log in through your browser. If you're in computer or desktop, you can do that, or you can just click on login over here and it's gonna straight up log in to your Tinder account. So that's basically how you recover your Tinder login account. So you can click on verify now, and you can enter your phone number over here. Click on continue after entering your phone number. Now it's gonna send a code to your phone number. Just wait for some time. Now click on continue, and that's basically how you recover your Tinder account. Now I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log into a Tinder account using desktop. So let me hop into my desktop real quick. So right now I'm on my desktop. So to log into Tinder through desktop, you can enter Tinder on your search bar, on your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome. So after entering Tinder, you can go to this tinder.com, click on it, and now you can click on login. But if you want to create an account, you can click on create account, but we are going to log into our existing account. Now over here click on Google if you created your Tinder account using Google, and enter a phone number if you created your Tinder account using phone number. So I'm going to go with login with Google because I created my account using Google. So enter a Gmail after that. So this is the Gmail which I used. Wait for some time, it's logging into my account. So that's basically how I log into your Tinder account using desktop. Hope you guys found it helpful. Now the final step is I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can delete your Tinder account. So let's go to that. So to delete your Tinder account is pretty simple. First, click on your profile picture over here or go to your profile. And then over here, click on setting. And on setting, scroll down until you see delete account at the bottom over here. Click on delete account and click on delete my account, which is below pause my account. And choose a reason why you want to delete your account, or you can just click on skip at the top. I prefer clicking on skip and click on delete my account over here. And just wait for some time and your Tinder account will be deleted like this. So that's basically how you delete Tinder account. So that's all the basic guide on how to use Tinder. So if you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. Comment down below if you guys have any questions related to this video. We'll try to answer them and solve your problem. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.